We're proud to be a Filipino in what we have done and what we have failed to do. Filipino are known in a different attitudes that we never expect. But Filipino is a people who are religious in their God. We Filipino, that word, me, or should I say we, Filipino in mind, in heart, and in action. We, being Filipino, should know our own, make our own, and proud for our own. We shouldn't be slaves in our country. We should know our beliefs, cultures, and of course, our languages. We have different colorful and fabulous fiestas. It's enjoyable and exciting. We have different sceneries that should be proud of. We have products that can import in other countries. We have heroes who lift up our dignity and our country. They fought and died for us. A Filipino is like an ant. Hardworking is like a nara tree. Hard and strong. And of course, like a hero, brave and persistent. I know that we Filipinos have different struggles in life. You all know we have unbreakable claim and we have facing our problem. When the day is come, and I'm sure you, the Philippines or Filipinos, are free at last.